Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You already need a Google account and access to your website editor. Once you have that, open Google Forms and create a new form. Start with a clear title and add the first questions. Choose types, short answer, multiple choice, and mark required fields when needed. Make sure to click the gear icon to configure responses and collection options, because those settings determine privacy and notification behavior. Once the basic form is ready, save and preview it to confirm the look and flow. Once the form is ready, click Send, and choose the Embed option to copy the iframe code. This is the exact snippet you'll add to your site. Then adjust the width and height values in the code if you want fixed sizing. Make sure to plan for responsiveness by placing the iframe inside a fluid container or using CSS to manage scaling. Next, open your site editor, add an HTML block or widget, and paste the iframe. Preview on desktop and mobile to verify appearance and spacing. Finish by submitting a test response and confirming entries appear in the linked spreadsheet or Google Forms Responses tab. This proves the pipeline works. If the form looks clipped, make sure your site uses HTTPS and that the iframe sits in a responsive container. CSS like max width, 100% helps. If the embed is blocked, check CMS sanitization rules or iframe permissions. Sometimes editors strip code. If problems persist, switch to linking the form directly from a button while you debug the.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.